How to reinstall Wi-Fi drivers on Windows 10 and 11. Press Windows plus S to launch the search box. Type dev.msc in search box and press Enter. Click Network Adapters. Click the Driver tab. Write down the name of the wireless adapter. If your wireless card was made by Intel, visit www.intel.com. Search for the name of your wireless card. Download the drivers for your version of Windows. Return to the Device Manager and expand the Network Adapters list. Right-click the wireless card under Network Adapters, and then click Properties. Navigate to the Driver tab, then click Uninstall. Click OK to confirm. Double-click the .exe file you downloaded. Follow the prompts to install your drivers. Disconnect your wired LAN connection. Connect to your Wi-Fi network.